Hi everyone, quick snapshot because I got some interesting stuff through the post today, so let's take a look. Something really exciting arrived today. These are the two side windows of the hard dodger, so the 12mm acrylics. So I have all the actual dodger parts in another unit, so I won't be able to kind of use that to see if they fit, but I'm really interested in seeing how they look, so let's unpack. So these are the acrylic windows that I draw in 𝐾𝐨𝐧, and I went from having a 4mm gap around the windows to instead just a 2mm gap based on some feedback that I got from a window fitter. So let's see how it looks. The first thing I saw was this plastic material here, and I thought, oh no, they've cut it in some white looking plastic, but it's just the cover, so all good. Okay, so all I can tell right now is that it looks like it's the right shape, and the holes for the fastener bolts are in the right place. So there's obviously a protection film here, which I'm going to keep in place, and there's a protection film on this side as well. But you can see they are smoke colored, which apparently is the most common color, I would say, rather than transparent. And they, from the inside and out, they look clear with the blue background. And I think you can't see in through them from the outside very easily. So yeah, happy with that. As always, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe so you can see the rest of the boat build. There is a separate playlist for the motor build, and another separate playlist for the actual boat itself, and one for the components. So until next time, see you soon.